How to make Duolingo account public. This tutorial will guide you through the process of making your Duolingo account public in 2025. Having a public profile can help you connect with other language learners and share your progress. This step-by-step guide is designed for mobile users, ensuring you can easily follow along. I'm going to record this through the PC since my phone does not let me record from the web browser, because you need a web browser to do this tutorial. Even though we used a different device, the steps are the same, so you don't have to worry about it. You just have to watch the video until the end so that you can follow my tutorials. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use, like, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any web browsers that are available on your phone device. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type duolingo.com. While you are on the Duolingo website, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already logged in. If your account is logged in, point your cursor at the More tab. The menu appears. Just click the Settings tab to the Open Settings. While we are in the Settings tab, click the Privacy Settings tab in the Account section. While we are in the Privacy Settings tab, make sure that your Make My Profile Public section is toggled on. As you can see, mine is already toggled on. Congratulations! You have successfully made your Duolingo account public. This allows you to connect with other learners and showcase your language journey. As a next step, consider checking out other users' profiles for inspiration or tips on language learning.